Portrait of a young woman with very long hair. Bedouin. Gertrude Three Fingers, Cheyenne, from an album of photographs of American Indians in Oklahoma, 1870 to 1900. The photo is captioned, "My great-grandmother, sometime in the 1890s. Maud Feely, American silent film actress. She was also able to find herself in the sound era. Waitress in a Japanese tea house. A girl from the tribal union of Holland Nail, Algeria. These girls were famous for their dancing and also for prostitution. An American Indian girl, Yankton Suzit Kayla Shah. A young Moroccan Jewish woman from Dabdou.